An LLC is the most popular business structure because of the liability protection it provides to the business. Are you thinking of starting the LLC in New York? No worries. In this video, we will go through 6 simple steps to start an LLC in New York. But before that, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Now, the next steps I'll be discussing are choosing a name, finding a registered agent, finding your LLC articles of organization, creating an LLC operating agreement, obtaining an LLC EIN, notifying the public, post formation. The last step is significant because you need to follow some tips to maintain your LLC. Now, let's get into the first step. Choose a name. Want to fast track your LLC setup without the headache? For a small fee, you can skip the hassle by choosing a professional service. My top pick, Northwest Registered Agent. They are affordable, boost your privacy, and make the whole process a breeze. Hit the link in the description to find out more. Choosing a name for your LLC is easy, but LLC names are the primary cause of LLC filing rejections in the state of New York. So make sure you pay attention to the naming guidelines given below. The name must end with Limited Liability Company or the abbreviation LLC or LLC. You must avoid names that can suggest a purpose different to the actual purpose of your business. For example, it shouldn't indicate that it's a bank, government agency, or a business that requires a special license. When you name your LLC, you must not use any name that suggests any other business type such as INC, Co-op, non-profit, etc. Some words are prohibited from being used in business names such as school, library, or college. Avoid using these in the name. Some other businesses may already use the name you choose. In that case, you must make some changes to make your LLC's name unique. To ensure that any other business is not using the name you choose, you can follow the link in the description to the free New York portal online to check for other business entities with the same name. Another helpful tip about naming your LLC is to secure a domain for the name. No matter how far you have come on your business journey, your business needs an online presence, and there is no better way than a business website. The next step is to appoint a registered agent for your LLC. Registered agent. Usually, a person is appointed as a registered agent in your LLC to receive important documents on your LLC's behalf. However, the Secretary of State takes up this role in New York, but you must still add your business address to the record to receive the documents. Remember that your address will become public information. New York State requires you to publish the business address in the newspaper when the LLC is formed. If you are not comfortable with your address being on public records, you must hire a professional registered agent service. They will provide you with an address where you can receive all documents. Hiring a service will save you time and give you more privacy. In addition, it can also save you money on publication fees if your registered agent's address is located outside the city. Once your LLC is formed and the publication is done, you can change the business address if you wish. We recommend Northwest Registered Agent because they have been in the business for over 20 years. They have free templates and give you the lowest prices and best service. Link in the description to learn more. The next essential step is to file articles of organization, so your LLC can be officially filed with the state of New York. Articles of organization. Since this document officiates your LLC with the state, it includes the most crucial information about your business. That includes LLC name, county where the office will be, address the Secretary of State will forward mail to. The articles of organization can be filled in New York State in 3 ways: by mail or in person. If you want to send this document by mail or submit it in person, you can download form DOS 1336F and complete it. Send in the mail or deliver the completed form with a $200 filing fee payable to the NYS Department of State by hand to this address. It may take 3 to 5 weeks to get approval through this method. online. The fastest way to file your articles of organization is by using the Division of Corporations online filing system. It gets approved right away. If you already have an LLC doing business in another state and you want to do business in New York, you must file an application of Authority Form DOS 2183F. This form also has similar information. You can file it by hand or mail it to this address. The filing fee is $250. The next step is to create an operating agreement for your LLC. Operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document and is not filed with the state. It outlines the daily functionality of your LLC. The LLC can work without an operating agreement, but it is an essential document for your business to have. The key points in an operating agreement are members' voting rights and responsibilities, leadership changes, internal procedures, profit distribution, capital contribution by the members, dispute, conflict resolution policies. This document may not be filed with the state, but it shows the harmony and planning behind your business. Hence, it is often required when you open a business bank account or apply for a business loan. You can draft your operating agreement from scratch by looking at the templates available online or get a professional operating agreement template from Northwest Registered Agent. The next step is to obtain an EIN. Obtain an EIN. This is your LLC's Social Security Number or Employee Identification Number (EIN). The IRS will use this number to taxes paid by your LLC. So it is also known as the Tax Identification Number. Obtaining an EIN is very simple and easy and completely free of charge. Follow the link in the description to the IRS website. Fill out the online form and apply for an EIN. An EIN is essential for a lot of business matters, including if you plan on hiring any employees. Publication. New York has a state-specific requirement to publish a public notice of formation in the local newspaper once the LLC is formed. The notice must appear in 2 newspapers for 6 successive weeks. The newspaper should be local to the county where the LLC's office is located. One must be a daily newspaper and other a weekly newspaper. You must publish this notice of formation within 120 days of getting approval for your LLC. After the publication period is over, both newspapers have to send you an affidavit of publication, snippets of the notice. Download and complete Form DOS 1708F, Certificate of Publication. Then the completed form together with the 2 affidavits and the snippets must be mailed to this address. If you hire Northwest, you can use their address outside New York as the principal address to publish, reducing the publication cost. Usually the cost is around $1,500 if the principal address is in New York City. The publication cost vary from county to county, so check the cost for your county before deciding. Later, you can file a Form DOS 1359F, Certificate of Change. In the form, under the 3rd article, change the post office address to the one reflecting the LLC's actual address. The filing fee for this form is $30. Post formation steps. Congratulations, because that is all you need to do to start an LLC in New York. To maintain an LLC, you must do these things along the way. Every 2 years, you must file a biennial statement with the NYS Department of State online using the Department of State's e-statement filing service with a fee of $9. Always file this statement in the same calendar month your LLC becomes active and not before. Keep your personal and business funds and transactions separate to maintain your limited liability status. Build business credit. Use a separate bank account and credit card for your LLC. Get business insurance because some insurances are required by law. Use the domain you reserved and build a website. Starting an LLC in New York only requires 6 simple steps. Choosing a name, finding a registered agent, filing your LLC articles of organization, creating an LLC operating agreement, obtaining an LLC EIN, publication. Once you are through these, there are some post-formation steps that you can follow to ensure that your LLC never gets targeted for dissolution. Those steps are: file the biennial statement report, keep your personal assets separate from the business, build business credit, get business insurance, build a business website. Hopefully, I've explained all the steps well. Feel free to comment if you have a suggestion and don't forget to like this video. Good luck with all your business endeavors.